Hi everyone, it's Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I'm ill and you wouldn't be able to hear me now. That's why I've recorded my voice separately. Easter is just around the corner. That's why I prepared for you 3 DIYs. If you want to stay up to date, please remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell. Remember about the bell. I always forget about the bell. I don't know why. But you won't forget. I'm watching you. Okay, let's get started.
For this project we will need reindeer moss, bunny template, hot glue gun, marker, scissors and a photo frame. Let's start with making a bunny template. My computer skills aren't the best. That's why I decided to just download the black and white bunny silhouette. Then enlarge it in photo viewer and simply took 3 pieces of paper, put them on the monitor of my computer. I traced the bunny silhouette by non-permanent marker, making sure that I won't stain the monitor. Trace the bunny onto a piece of cardboard and then cut it out. The moss that I am using is in a forest green color. My bunny is quite big, it's 45 by 35 centimeters. That's why I've used 1.5 bag of moss. It's approximately 150 grams. Prepare yourself that this stage is quite messy. The moss is dyed, that's why it will stain your hands. It comes with a little bit of dirt. There are leaves, grass, sticks and that kind of stuff. In the beginning I've tried to glue the moss to the cardboard using tacky glue, but it didn't work out too good. The moss didn't want to stick to it. That's why I swapped it for hot glue. Try not to burn yourself too many times. I've burned myself hundreds of times during this project. Check where you need to add some moss, as there will be places where cardboard is visible. Now it's the final stage, yay! Take your favorite photo frame and insert the bunny inside. I am using my favorite photo frame from IKEA. It's very easy to open and close, it's durable, it's lightweight, and super affordable. Ta-da! That's it! Super easy project, but it looks amazing. Now you have a piece of forest in your home this Easter. Enjoy!
That's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe. I will place a few more DIYs somewhere here. I don't know where yet, but well, I will. Feel more than welcome to watch them. And yeah, that's all. See you soon. Happy Easter!